In this video, I'll show you how to add a manual grade item to the Moodle gradebook. A manual grade item is a place in Moodle where you can enter a grade for an assignment that you collect, grade manually, and enter the grade, as opposed to an assignment students complete on Moodle, such as an online quiz, a discussion board, or an assignment they submit through a Dropbox. In this case, a manual grade is a grade for work that the students complete, you grade on your own, and you're just using Gradebook to enter and calculate the grade. Start by logging into Moodle, and then in the Administration panel, choose Gradebook Setup. Next, you can see right here that I have a gradebook that has several grade categories. One is activities, homework, quizzes, one is Essay 1, one is Essay 2. And here are some manual grade items in this gradebook. You can tell they're manual grade items because the icon is a pencil over a box. To add another one of these to your gradebook, you'll scroll down and click the Add Grade Item button at the bottom of the page. Next, you'll type a name for the assignment into the box. And then you'll click on Parent Category, Show More. And now you get a drop-down menu that asks you which category you want this assignment or item placed in. So I'm going to have it placed this time in Essay 1. I'll choose Essay 1 and then Save Changes. And now you can see my manual grade item has been added to the gradebook. Now I'm going to show you what happens if you accidentally forget to put the grade item where you want it. Sometimes that happens. So here I'm going to create another item. This one will be Essay 1 Draft 2. And I'm just going to click Save Changes. And you'll see that the item appears at the bottom of the list in Moodle. And what I want to do is move it where it belongs. So take a look at that item and then just sort of move your cursor over to the right. And you'll see that there's a small square there that you can choose. That's a select column. So I've selected that item. And then you have the option here to move the selected item to. And I can choose the category that I want it moved to. And now you can see it's been moved up to the appropriate category. And maybe I wanted in actually the order Draft 1 to come over Draft 2. So in that case, I'm just going to click on this little arrow. And you can see it opens up space for me to choose where I want to move it to. And I'm just going to say I want to move it right above the Draft 2. So I just click there. And now you'll see they're in order, 1 and 2. And then I'll hit Save Changes, and now I have the gradebook as I like it. So that is how you add a manual grade item to Moodle.